Hey guys, time to put my new front four decals on the hood. There's the decal. So it's, as you can see, it's embossed right there, so it's going to go on top. Now this tractor was recently painted, so what you have to do is use some wax and grease remover just to make sure when you put it on here the decal's actually going to adhere and stick. So I'm going to do that next. The next step is I'm actually going to peel the decal off from the paper backing, and then I'm going to line it up and lay it over top of where it's going to go on the front hood. So I have it lined up, so the next step is rub it down really good. That way the red Ford decal is actually stuck to the hood. It looks like it's lined up pretty good. And then when you start to peel it away, the decal is usually going to want to come. So just go really slow, peeling down. And you can see how it pulled away there. So I've done the other side. So I find what's best is when you're peeling it away, hold down a little bit on the red decal and then slowly peel. Here's what it looks like when it's done. It's a leftover backing of it. You can see how it just gives a little more fanciness to the front of the tractor. So this would be the right side. And this is the left side. So it just takes away a little bit of the blandness on the hood because it's such a big gray area. So the next step is the front emblem. Here in Canada, can't really find them online. I'm going to have to order from the States. Now for me to order that from the States with delivery and duty and whatnot, that's approximately $60 some. So it's certainly not a necessity, but it will make the front end pop a lot nicer than what it is right now. And again, I ordered these decals with my first Ford 8N I had. So these decals are actually 8 years old. They've actually been sitting in the garage for that length of time, but luckily they still adhere to the front hood. And you can also get the decals for your air filter and your rear 3-point, your fuel filter area. So I'm probably going to order that kit next. And it just gives it more of a little bit of the originality, and will certainly look nice. Anyways guys, just a short video on some decals I installed on the front hood of the Ford 8N. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you may want to consider subscribing. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this Ford 8N, as well as videos on antiques, gaming, and whatnot. Thanks guys, have an excellent day. Bye now.